There's nothing like the joy and relaxation of getting away in your camper to unplug, unwind, and unlock a new adventure. But at the end of the day, you want to lock up and be safe and secure for the night. But how can you be secure if you can't lock your door from the inside? In this video, we'll show you 2 ways to do just that. Stay tuned. If you have an older Scamp, Boler, Casita, or other small trailer that uses this type of interior door latch, you may have noticed there's no way to lock it from the inside. There are 2 simple and inexpensive modifications you can make to have a locking interior latch. The most common and least expensive method is the drill and pin method. It requires only drilling 1 small hole and using a pin to securely fix the interior handle from moving. With the pin in place, even if the outside door handle is unlocked with the key, the door still cannot be opened. It's the extra security you need when you're camping. Here's how to do it. We'll start by marking a 1/8 inch drill bit to a point 1 inch from the tip with a piece of tape. This gives us a measure of how deeply we're drilling and allows us to go as deep as we need, but stop us from drilling all the way through the door. The hole needs to be just underneath the bottom of the inside door handle, about a 1/4 inch from the edge of the latch. Look at your latch and mark this point with a pencil or marker. We then drill through to the depth marked on the tape, through both sides of the latch mechanism and slightly into the door. You can then insert a pin of your choice. Here we're using an unlocking pin that came with each of our home's interior doorknobs, but many pins will work. You can find many usable pins around your home, like a small nail, the drill bit you just used, or even a pin cut and shaped from a piece of wire coat hanger. Once the pin is inserted, the door handle's fixed and cannot move. The door will not open from either the inside or the outside, even when unlocked with a key. We attached our pin to the latch with a small piece of chain, so the pin is always readily available and won't get lost in the camper or at the campsite. The next solution to secure the latch is by replacing it completely. The manufacturer of the original latch produces an upgraded model that includes a lock and unlock button. I'll put a link in the description. The latch is an A.L. Hansen Model 56 right-hand cab lock. At the time of this video, it was available from Vintage Trailer Supply for around $30. They call it a canned ham latch, and their product code is VTS-215. To install, we'll start by removing the 6 screws securing the old latch. Then we swap the old latch mechanism with the new, taking care to reuse any spacers that may have been previously installed, and finally, reinstall the screws. To use, simply push the lower button in to lock the latch and push the top button to unlock, similar to many screen door latches. If you've made either of these modifications, we'd love to hear how it went for you in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons so you never miss any new mods or tips. Thanks for watching, and happy scamping!